Welcome back to our Reveal Our Skin System series. In this episode, we're introducing the BH4 series, one of the most versatile skin-based solutions in our lineup. The standard BH4 features a 0.06mm skin base with V-loop ventilation and 100% density. Compared to ultra-thin options, it offers a better balance between natural appearance and durability, making it a very stable choice for daily wear. As market demands evolved, BH4 expanded into multiple variations to meet different needs. BH4M increases both thickness and density, designed for clients who prefer fuller volume and longer lifespan. BH4 T-Color keeps the same structure, but introduces a graduated color effect at the base. Root Color 1B with color 60Hg, helping create a more natural scalp illusion. We also developed more targeted solutions. BH4 Frontal for hairline restoration. BH4 Crown for top area thinning. Each variation is designed to solve a specific wearing scenario, helping you offer more precise solutions to your clients. In the next episode, we'll continue revealing more about our skin system lineup.